20th, 2018. And you can enjoy your Tuesday morning, afternoon, or evening with me on Sound K. Kicking off the second part of tonight's show, we have Chelsea in the studio. And so please be sure to turn the camera on because you can see what's happening in our studio. And if you guys are on Jeju-do Island, our FM frequencies are 88.7 in Jeju City and 88.1 in Seogwipo City. And you can also tune into us on 101.9 megahertz in Daejeong area, which is in the Jeju Global Education City. Through the satellite radio Sirius XM, you can listen to us on channel 144 in the US as well. You can also find us on terrestrial DMV. If you have a smartphone, you can listen to Arirang Radio by downloading the Arirang Radio app that's available for both iPhones or Android operation systems. And be sure to check us out on Twitter and Facebook. Twitter is at SoundK2022. Facebook is /SoundK.ArirangRadio. And for an easier way, just go to the Arirang Radio website, click on Sound K, and click again on the Twitter and Facebook icon on the right. Also, feel free to send us your comments, messages, questions, or song requests on the Arirang Radio website. It's www.arirang.com/soundk. We'll be back with XX Challenge, but first, here's the song. This is Drive Away 2 by Ladi.
오늘 기분 좋아 날씨도 좋아 집에 있긴 힘들어 어딘가로 나가자 자리에서 일어나 나른해지기 전에 수많은 내 취미 중에 1등은 driving drive away 그 다음은 skydiving fly away 맘 같아선 하늘을 날고 싶지만 오늘은 let me just drive away let me drive away baby 햇빛이 좋아 파도 소리가 좋아 oh let me drive away baby 비가 와도 좋아 그냥 가져와 My baby G 타고 강원도로 왔지 길게 뻗은 도로 위에선 많은 것들이 떠올라 like My name is Roddy부터 real 과거까지 쉽진 않았지만 그리운지 난 수많은 내 친구 중에 She in a beer 주염지지 나를 love you and brothers 맘 같아선 모두들 보고 싶지만 오늘은 let me just drive away let me drive away baby 배기음이 좋아 바람 소리가 좋아 oh let me drive away baby 비가 와도 좋아 그냥 가져와 새로운 날 가끔 후회도 했었지만 아픔보단 기쁨이 더 많아 Think that I finally realize 이런 기분이 나 Let me just drive away 어디라도 좋아 어디라도 Let me just drive away 가고 싶은 곳이 참 많아 Let me drive to Gosan Let me drive to Chongcheng yeah. Let me drive to Seoul, Busan Let me drive to Honam 제주도는 한 번 가봤지 아름다워 근데 너무 멀어 Let me fly to get there Fly away Fly away Oh, let me fly away I wanna go all around the world
challenge.
Anything is possible.
Just do it.
Experience the experiment.
XX challenge. Woo! Hello, Chelsea.
Hi,
this is
Ashley.
your first time. Can you introduce yourself to the listeners?
All right. Hi, guys. I'm Chelsea Kim, filling in for Key because he's been away for the Pyeongchang Winter Olympics. I've been doing the news announcing, if you guys know.
Yeah. I saw you in the
It's really
studio
nice
next
to meet you.
us.
Yeah.
It's so different because back then you're like all formal, like we have all these, like in your announcer tone, and then now you're like all friendly
Yeah,
and
this is
here
my
in the
voice.
studio. It's
Yeah.
so cool. But yeah, thank you for joining us. You're gonna be with us for like the next 3 or 4 weeks or so.
Thank you for
Yeah.
having me.
I hope we have lots of fun.
Me too.
Before we were talking for a little bit, and we're actually both from New York.
Yeah.
Like she attended school in New York, well, upstate, but still, we're both New Yorkers.
Yeah,
East
nice
Coast.
to meet you.
East Coast. All right, so how do you feel?
I feel a little nervous, but
No.
excited.
Okay, don't be nervous.
I
I'm
love your
nervous too
voice.
because it's my first week. It's
You've
my
been
second day here.
No,
so.
you've been doing great. I
Oh,
love your voice. I'm sure people love your voice as well.
Thank you. Okay, before we start, I have a question to ask you. So what's like a holiday that's, it can make you feel really loved, but then at the same time, under certain circumstances, it's kind of like a hassle and you don't want to celebrate it. Like, sometimes you're just like, oh, why do we have this holiday?
I have this one thing that came into right mind.
But
Valentine's.
yes, Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Yeah, as you all know, Valentine's Day was recently, and we just wanted to celebrate it by making chocolates, right?
Yeah. Have you ever made it before?
Yeah, I have
You
actually.
did? That's really good because I.
No, but like I did a really bad job when I
Really?
made it. Like I ate most of them myself because they
Oh.
turned out
While
not-
you're making.
yeah.
Yeah, that's the best part. Making. As you're making, you eat it.
Yeah, but the one thing that I didn't understand when I first came to Korea was that they had separate holidays for when guys
Yeah.
give, chocolates to girls and then girls give candies to guys. Like
Yeah.
in America or in the West Coast, like, it's Valentine's Day is just for everybody.
For everyone.
But then in Korea, they have a separate white day and they also have Pepero Day. Like they have
Oh my
so
God.
many holidays.
a lot of different holidays for everyone.
I know, it's just a
Yeah.
marketing tactic.
It is.
Ugh.
It is.
Anyways.
All right.
So we're going to be making chocolate today?
Yeah, we're gonna making chocolate today. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but hopefully it's edible. We'll do our best.
Yeah, I hope so too.
Yeah. So I was thinking about, there's a lot of episodes that could go on with the Valentine's Day. Can you think of anything?
Valentine's Day.
Yeah. I mean, what do you think? Who is the hardest person to be on the Valentine's Day?
I mean, like Korean people, they all like obsessed about being single and like how much it's, it sucks when it's Valentine's Day when you're single, but
it makes
I
you
don't
feel like
it's because they put so much importance of being a couple. Like Valentine's Day, you can show your love to your parents or
That
your
is so
friends or your
true.
siblings. It doesn't
Yeah.
have to be the significant other, but it's just like they put so much, significance on like being single. It's like,
and like you feel so like sad.
yeah, it's
You
just
don't
about
have the
expressing
one.
love to anyone, around you. So
Yeah. All right. Yeah, that's good. All right. So, should we talk about when's the first time you've got any chocolates or candies? Because you stayed in the States, you probably got chocolates from someone. Because in America, you just give it to each other. Yeah.
well, I don't want to brag, but
Oh, no. Go on.
I think in junior high school, my then boyfriend like showed up
Oh.
to my school with a huge bouquet of roses and
Oh my
like, a lot of
gosh,
flowers.
really?
And he actually like snuck into the school to get to my classroom because he didn't
He did?
attend my school.
Oh my God. Was it girls? No, right? It's not girls' high school or junior.
No, it was
okay,
just
good.
yeah, co-ed, but he
All
went to
right.
a different high school and then he snuck in to,
That's so
give me.
thoughtful.
Yeah.
You probably was surprised. Why are you here?
Yeah, because I was like in my math class and I look outside the door and he was there and I was like, what is
What?
going on? I was
Well,
scared.
that's so romantic, though.
Yeah.
Did you
well,
like
it's all
it?
over now, so.
So, all right, let's move on.
Let's move on.
Let's move on. It's just a good memory. All
Do
right.
you have any memories?
Well, I I don't know. We didn't really celebrate Valentine's Day as giving chocolates in my junior and senior high school because, I don't know, our tradition didn't go like that. I went to a Catholic church high school.
Oh, okay.
So we were more of having a mass, very, very holy. We learned about the history of Valentine's Day instead of actually giving out chocolates. Actually, probably they might did, but I didn't really fall into those.
Wait, then can you tell us some facts about Valentine's Day? Because I don't really know. I only know a small
There's a lot of stories behind why it became Valentine's Day and stuff, but the most well-known is the one that I've actually had to look this up because I didn't really know. There was a Roman king, Claudius II. He wanted more guys to sign up for the military, so he forbidden them to get married.
Oh.
That's so sad. So at that time, Saint Valentine at the Rome Catholic Church, he secretly made them to get married with the ones they love.
Ooh.
After the king found that out, he got executed, sadly. But the day he was executed is February 14th.
Oh, and that's why we made it Valentine's Day.
That's what the history says.
Oh, thank you,
That's
Saint
interesting.
Valentine.
Yeah, I know. Your effort.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so I don't think an hour is enough to make chocolate, so we should hurry, right?
Yeah, we
okay,
need
so
a lot of
let's go
time.
listen to a song and we're gonna get started on making chocolates. We're gonna listen to Shiny's Chocolate and we'll be right back.
How'd you like that? I just wanna put the record straight once and for all. How'd you like that? 바라보는 너의 눈빛 이미 잘 알고 있지. 그립빛 넌 브라우니 네 안에 퍼져 sweet. 난 너만의 파티쉐 지루한 클리셰 버리고 솔직하게 이 밤을 짙게 칠해줄 난 너의 초콜릿. Baby baby 별빛처럼 너와 내게 쏟아지는 love. This love, this love. 아름다운 내 술 한 가득 머금고 너무 달콤해 아찔해 어지러운 걸 Never never gonna let you down. You wanna be my lady, how'd you like that baby? 너의 눈빛 tonight. That's right. You wanna be my honey, how'd you like that baby? 너의 입술이 tonight. Tonight. 웃을 때 oh my god 참을 수가 없어. 널 갖고 싶은 걸. That's you. You wanna be my lady, how'd you like that baby? 어서 내 손선. 너의 달콤함에 어지러워 어지러워 어지러워. Oh my god. 내게 중독될까 두려워 두려워 두려워. Oh my god. 너의 아찔함에 어지러워 어지러워 어지러워. Girl you're so fine. 멈출 수 없어 내게 baby. 빠져가. I can't believe it. Yeah. 원하는 걸 다 말해 I'll let you do it. 널 둘러싸고 있는 hot chocolate drips 이미 흘러내린다는 걸 넌 알고 있어. 나를 원해 then take it 우리 감정 다 blow. Baby baby 별빛처럼 너와 내게 쏟아지는 love. 아름다운 내 입술 한가득 머금고 너무 달콤해 아찔해 어지러운 걸. You wanna be my lady, how'd you like that baby? 너의 눈빛 tonight. You wanna be my honey, how'd you like that baby? 너의 입술이 tonight. 웃을 때 oh my god 참을 수가 없어 널 갖고 싶은 걸. You wanna be my lady, how'd you like that baby? 어서 내 손선. Come on. 너의 달콤함에 어지러워 어지러워 어지러워. Oh my god. 내게 중독될까 두려워 두려워 두려워. Oh my god. 너의 아찔함에 어지러워 어지러워 어지러워. Girl you're so fine. 멈출 수 없어 내게 baby. 빠져가. 난 내게 조금씩 녹아 들어가는 걸. 꿈꿔왔던 그 순간 네 중심에 언제나 너뿐이야. Here I am. You wanna be my lady, how'd you like that baby? 너의 향기가 tonight. You wanna be my honey, how'd you like that baby? 너의 모든 게 tonight. You wanna be my lady, how'd you like that baby? how'd you like that?
Hi guys, welcome back. If you're tuning in to us live on Visual Radio or Facebook Live, we're live on Facebook right now, so you guys can go ahead there and watch us. You're hearing a lot of like
Noise.
rustling because we're trying to put all these little chocolates in this bag.
The pastry bag.
Yeah, pastry bag, so we can melt it and then make the chocolates. Wow, it's already like, it's too much for me right now. I can't handle this.
I know.
Oh,
This is my
man.
first time actually.
Yeah, but can you explain the rules? Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So for the rules, today's XX challenge is that you have to fill the whole box with the chocolates. Can be whatever, but you have to fill the whole box. That's the challenging part. And after you're doing that, you guys are gonna vote for us. Which one is the prettiest?
So we have to make them pretty. We
Yeah.
can't just fill it up. We have to make it pretty, right?
Yeah, that's
oh
the
my goodness.
that's the hard part.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and then we do have a punishment.
What?
If you lose.
What's the punishment?
Yeah, you would actually have to take a video of giving the chocolate to the ones that you want to give. It can be your boyfriend, your mom, your dad, your friend.
Oh, okay.
And you just have to take a video of them getting it, how happy they look, and you have to bring it to the studio.
Okay, I'm already done.
You
So
are.
can I melt it now?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
You're fast.
Because you were talking while I was unwrapping everything.
I can do multitasking.
Wait, so you said you've never done this before, right?
Nope, I've seen my cousins make it, like when I was in high school. Like, I was like, whoa, your guys are making chocolate at home? But it looked a little ugly. I didn't say it. I didn't say it, but they liked it, so, you know.
I actually recalled it. I didn't make chocolates. I made pepero actually, so it's a little different.
Yeah?
Because pepero, you just, cover the pepero sticks with chocolate, and you don't have to actually, like, make chocolates. So.
Oh, you just have to put it in.
Yeah, this is my first time, too. I'm kind of worried.
Really? Yeah, it's our first time.
Wait, but you know what the problem is? If we cut this out, right? Then how do we stop it from flowing?
You have to, like, hold it upside down.
Oh my god, this is gonna get messy. That's
gonna
why
get
I
messy.
brought an apron. Hold on, I have to put this
You brought
on.
an apron?
Yeah,
That's
because I
really
knew it was gonna be
smart.
messy.
I don't
And-
have one at home.
And did you notice I wore red on purpose?
You did. I wore,
for
like,
Valentine's
dark.
Day.
That's
And
good.
it's like red and this green apron. So ugly.
No,
I brought it
it's
from
cute.
our dorm.
Your dorm.
So Chuni and Sojong are gonna go home and be like, oh, where's the apron? I didn't tell them.
You didn't tell them.
Yeah.
They're gonna see you on the Facebook Live.
I know.
Oh my god, this water is hot.
Okay, wait. Okay, I'm done melting it. So should I start?
So, yeah, you can cut it.
Oh no, I'm scared. This is gonna get messy. I
You have
know
to,
it.
like,
Oh wait, this
Take
is a
one by one.
lot.
Yep, guys, this is gonna be a
Oh my goodness.
All right,
Can
who's?
we do this?
Yes,
can we
we
really do
can.
this?
Actually, this is
Man.
really awesome.
Talking about Valentine's Day and talking about love, this is like a question that I'm always curious about, and I ask a lot of my friends.
Alright.
If you were to be proposed to, what kind of proposal do you want? Do you want like a public proposal in front of like all these people, or do you want just like a private one, or do you want him to sing to you, or
wow.
do you ever think about those things?
Well, I've actually seen a lot of proposal videos.
Yes,
you know
me
how
too.
music videos have good ones too.
Yeah.
So I've watched it, but I've never thought of me getting one. Well, public would be nice if my boyfriend could actually sing and dance at the same time, but I don't expect him to. So it'll be very actually, if people are watching me, it'll be embarrassing.
Wait,
so.
do you have a boyfriend right now?
Well, actually, I do.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, how long has it been?
It has it. Oh my God, yours is which one is falling?
I think yours.
Is it?
Yours is leaking. Wait,
Is
you gotta
it?
cut it right now.
Why?
Wait, hold on. Okay,
Oh
I'm
no,
gonna
it's
cut
not
mine
melted
first.
yet. All right, what were we talking? All right, how long have we been?
Yeah.
We've been dating for a couple months, but we've been knowing each other for 6 years now.
Oh wow, so you guys have been friends for 6 years.
Yeah, we all went to same university.
Wow.
Studied together. He saw me sleeping in the classroom. He took a picture of me sleeping.
Oh my gosh, so you guys must be really close.
Yeah, we actually are.
That's good, I think. You know, that's good too, that you guys were friends before, so you guys know all about each other. Like even like the darkest, deepest secrets.
Darkest, deepest.
So you guys have nothing to hide.
Yeah.
Actually, my chocolate wasn't melted, so it's not coming out. Oh my goodness.
Mine neither.
I think we're gonna fail.
No, we're gonna make it really pretty. Let's do this.
Oh man.
And we also have this hot chocolate ready.
Yeah, I don't even know what that's for right now.
We're gonna just take it out.
Guys,
decorate
I'm
it.
panicking. Can you guys help me? Oh my goodness.
Okay, we're rooting for you. You can do it. All right, here we go, guys. Woo! Wait, it's not coming out.
Me neither.
It's not melted yet. Oh my god! It's
One of the
chunk.
listeners says in Argentina we don't celebrate Valentine's Day.
Oh my god! Really?
Yeah, I guess some countries don't celebrate Valentine's Day at all.
True. Yeah.
I swear it's just a marketing like strategy, trying to sell chocolates and stuff.
Yeah. And I'm curious what kind of other holidays there are in different countries. Like
I'm pretty sure they don't have as many as we do.
Yeah, Korea has a lot.
I'm sure they don't have like 3-day where you have to eat
No.
samgyeopsal, like
Yeah.
pork belly, like, you know.
Do you know that we have Black Day where we have to eat jjajangmyeon, the black noodle?
If you're single, right?
If you're
I
and like
know, that is so sad.
there's a Rose Day too.
What is that for?
I don't even know, but I guess you give out roses.
Oh, wow.
Never got one, but interesting.
Okay, I
oh my
gotta
god.
melt my chocolate a little more because it's
Mine
not
is like
fully melted.
chunk.
Oh no, yours is not fully melted either. Oh my goodness. Wait, I'm panicking. Guys, are we doing okay? This is, oh my
It's
goodness.
okay, it's edible, you know. It goes into the
Yeah.
stomach, it's gonna be the same.
We were rushing too much. We should have like made sure it was all melted,
Yeah.
but
Don't you-
guys, it's okay. We're doing fine. You know,
Yeah, we're okay.
you know, we didn't fail yet.
We'll make it. Oh my god. Alright.
Oh,
It's
man.
actually great because I thought we needed like a brew start, like something to like warm the water to
Oh.
melt it, but it's
Yeah,
really working well.
This is a good idea.
Yeah.
Wait, so how are we gonna dip these marshmallows in the chocolate? Where are we gonna?
Do you want to help each other?
Okay, we need to do this like we need to do
Together.
this teamwork. Yeah, we
Yeah.
can't do this alone.
Yeah, you know, all teamwork works. Teamwork's always good.
Yeah, and this desk we have in front of us is pretty tiny, so it's hard to do a lot of things on this, you know?
Oh my god. I'm done with my chocolate.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Are you okay?
So much water in this. Okay.
Alright,
Okay,
You
yeah,
know
it's
what?
coming out. Okay, it's doing a lot better.
I'm just gonna start decorating.
Okay.
my
Wait, I
mix.
don't think we can fill up this box.
Yeah, and we
This-
can fill it up with the marshmallow.
Okay, because this box is huge.
It
They
is.
overestimated our chocolate making skills. We probably thought we were gonna make like
Yeah.
so many, but
We
no.
actually grabbed smaller boxes.
I know.
But then we thought, oh, this is too small, so we changed at the last minute. It was
No.
the wrong choice.
Oh, man.
We're gonna be okay. You're doing great. No, you're good.
What do you mean? Are you looking at
Oh.
mine right now?
Oh.
Wait, where'd it go?
Oh, it fell into the
Oh,
water.
no.
You're okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you
I'm
want to
fine.
like melt it a
is
little
gonna
bit
be a-
more?
No, I think it's
You're
already
fine?
melted. There was just that big chunk blocking it. Okay, I think we need to take a break, and while listening to a song, I need to get up and like clean this up. So let's go listen to a song. We're gonna listen to another song called Titled. This is Chocolate. No, this is another song titled Chocolate by AOA.
1, 2, 3, girls, you ready?
Sweetest, 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 sweetest,
Chocolate,
sweetest, sweetest.
chocolate, baby.
빨간 입술에 초콜릿을 바르고 하얀 내 두 손은 장미꽃이 될 거야. 오늘은 모두 다 고백할래 내 맘을. Yeah, 더 가까이 느끼고 싶어 진짜 네 맘을. You know me. I'm the most freaking time better. 남자들 마음 때는 깡패. 또 baby 너한테만 특별히 모두 내줄게 오늘 하루만. 진심이 남아 넌 24/7 여지 꽉 찬 여자야 I'm sexy the hot 머리는 이미 dam가리니까 짧은 치마로 갈아입고 올게 달콤한 초콜릿 네 앞에서만 달콤한 sweetest chocolate chocolate 너에게만 보여줄게 진짜 내 맘을 chocolate chocolate 더 가까이 다가와 I'm your chocolate chocolate oh baby won't you be mine
Chocolate,
sweetest sweetest
chocolate, baby.
애타올라 날도 조금만 소리 동절 네 표정 말들이 다 잠들지 못하게 그 속에 나타나 사뿐사뿐 다가가 너에게 날 보여줄게 소리지 말고 tell me love again and again and again 척하는 네 모습이 귀가 더 쫑긋 세워지는 모습이 오늘따라 더 귀여워 깨물어주고 싶어져 아무도 모르게 다가와줘 너만 기다릴게 내 맘을 흔들어줘 너 때문에 난 달콤한 초콜릿 네 앞에서만 달콤한 sweetest chocolate chocolate 너에게만 보여줄게 진짜 내 맘을 chocolate chocolate 더 가까이 다가와 I'm your chocolate chocolate oh baby won't you be mine
Chocolate.
너를 만나기 전까진 난 그저 차가운 얼음 같은 여자일 뿐이었지 이제 널 만나면 달콤한 사랑을 내게 난 보답하고 싶어 달콤한 초콜릿 네 앞에서만 달콤한 sweetest chocolate chocolate 너에게만 보여줄게 진짜 내 맘을 chocolate chocolate 가까이 다가와 I'm your chocolate chocolate oh baby won't you be mine
Chocolate.
Hi guys, welcome back. Are you guys watching us right now? You guys are watching us like freak
you
out?
should watch this. This is a lot of fun.
Hey, but I completely had one chocolate so far,
Okay.
and I don't know if I can say it looks great, but
It looks so cute. You. Oh, it's falling. Careful.
oh no. Okay, I gotta leave this
So
alone.
you put out the red hearts.
Yeah, just the red
That's so
ones.
cute.
Wait, how do we freeze this though? How can we complete this?
How do we?
Yeah.
Leave it. It will. We actually have to freeze
It's really
it.
hot in the studio right now, so I feel like it's not gonna
It's not gonna
freeze. And this desk is a complete mess right now.
So just like
I'm
put
getting
it.
sprinklers all over.
Yeah, we're gonna just have to like. This
Okay.
is like a lot of
Wait, so
sprinkles on the table.
are you
so
gonna melt
like-
the chocolate into this so we can dip the marshmallow?
Yeah,
Okay.
we should do that.
Okay, I'll help you unwrap these
Thank
chocolates.
you. We only have like 7 chocolates left.
I know, this is gonna be so little.
probably-
We need more.
We're gonna
But-
be able to do only 1 marshmallow each, probably.
Yeah, we'll just work with what we have.
Yeah.
And talking about proposals before,
Yeah.
I really like stars and galaxy. Like I like the planetarium stuff. So I always have you ever watched Rebel Without a Cause, the movie with James Dean?
Probably.
You know how the
Not sure.
wait, why did I forget the name of it? The planetarium comes out.
Why?
Why did I forget that? I just had it in my head until like a few seconds ago.
It's
The
okay,
one in
we'll come
LA. Griffith Center. The Griffith. Yeah, the Griffith.
Thank you.
Anyways,
Griffith,
so,
yeah?
so there's a scene where he's in there and it's just like the whole
Galaxy.
planetarium and galaxy, and I always kind of dreamt of being proposed there, but that would require,
A lot
borrowing
of-
the whole thing, so I don't know if
Well,
that's...
you never know.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah.
Anyways.
I hope someone does that. I hope I'm there to watch it because that's really awesome.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Oh, Key left messages on the Facebook Live, and he was like,
Really?
"My chocolate, give me!" And he was like, "That's my seat." And he's like, "It's weird to see XX Challenge live."
Yeah, without you, Key, we miss you a lot.
Yeah, I haven't done any shows with him yet, so I'm looking forward to that because I heard he was really energetic energetic.
Yeah, you're
and
gonna love it.
yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun. I might not be able to catch up to his energy, I feel like.
No,
the
I
way you
think-
guys are describing him.
No, I think you're gonna be making a good synergy.
I'm gonna
Both
be
of
okay.
you together. Yeah.
Okay, that's
All right. I
good.
think I'm ready with the chocolate. Do you
Okay.
want to decorate your marshmallow?
Yes, please. Wait, let me put this. Wait, what happened to this?
You could use this one.
Okay. Please squeeze out the chocolate for me.
All right. How do you want it? Like,
Just everywhere.
like hot dog or like
oh, you're gonna squeeze it for me like you're squeezing ketchup.
Yeah.
Yes. Squiggly lines, please.
squiggly? All
Yes.
right, I will try
Gotta
my
make it pretty.
best. This is like the hardest work
Ooh,
ever.
I think it's good.
My
Ooh.
goodness.
Ooh. Ooh, good job.
You like
Ooh,
it?
yes, thank you.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle some on top of mine. Okay, I gotta do it for you too.
No,
But
I think I can do it
You think you
myself
can do it?
now.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll try it. Watch me mess this up.
I'm gonna put some sparkles on this.
Alright, do you want to help me? Actually?
Dude, I want to eat this myself.
you can.
You want me to hold it? Oh no! You want me to hold this for you?
Ah, okay.
Okay.
Do you want to do it for me?
Okay, I'll do it.
Alright.
How do you want it? Tell me your design.
Like the hot dog, please.
Like the hot dog, like squiggly
Yeah,
lines?
yeah.
Okay. Here goes nothing. Oh my god!
Ooh,
Oh my god.
Oh, you have a lot of love for me. Thank you.
I'm so strong!
Oh, this is really pretty though.
Oh no, wait, I'm gonna squeeze out the rest in here so we can just dip stuff in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, I want like a strawberry. You know, chocolate covered strawberries are
Yeah,
so
they're
good.
so good.
Oh, I want it right now. And chocolate covered bananas too.
Yeah, chocolate covered apples too. Have you
chocolate
ever?
covered anything.
Yeah. Actually, it goes with everything.
This is making me
Alright, mine
hungry.
looks like
That's cute. It looks like a lollipop or something.
Does it?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how it's gonna taste though. Alright.
Wait, we can't. Can we?
Alright, so we're gonna have to decorate the heart as well. What time is it? Oh, that time. Oh. I feel like I'm being hurt. Just tearing everything apart.
Oh man. Okay, I have 4 more chocolates to decorate, but it's like we're still limited with these 4 different sprinkler decorations. So it's like I have.
Alright.
There's not much I can do.
This is actually probably melted. I'll
Oh,
give
yeah.
it to you.
Okay.
I was waiting for
me
it to
put
get.
some
Alright, this is like
sprinkles
really
on.
hot. Ah, all melt. Alright,
It's all melted.
yeah, you can just
Yay.
cut the top part out and.
Okay.
Oh, it's hot.
This song is making me feel like I'm working in a factory.
Yep. The Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, right?
Right.
Those
Okay,
guys.
I'm
look so
mixing
funny.
sprinklers. Ooh, I hope this turns out good.
So hot.
Someone asked, Tasmias asked, what's in those boxes? And there's nothing in these boxes right now. We have to fill up these boxes with chocolates.
yeah.
It's empty. We gotta fill up this entire box, and look how small these Oh my goodness, we have a long way to go.
Yep. And we only got like 15 minutes, guys.
And Chelsea, this chocolate heart doesn't even fit in here.
Yeah, you probably have to like put it on the sidelines.
Do I have to break it in half, like
No.
a broken heart?
Yeah, give half and half.
Oh, okay.
maybe.
I can do this.
Oh my
I
god.
can do this.
This is like no, I messed it up.
Oh yeah, no, I think we can't do it with this because they're both melted. We
Yeah.
can only use it on this.
Mine looks so funny.
Okay, these are really
I think
colorful.
I'm just oh,
Be careful.
it's a yellow crayon.
I don't think I'm gonna do this ever again.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like my. Alright.
That looks like mustard and like pink chocolate mixed together.
And I'm gonna put wasabi on it.
Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, yours is gonna look beautiful.
It looks like food. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, I messed
Sorry,
my
Pinny.
one and only pink heart up. Oh my goodness, no.
Alright, this is like
Why
really.
can't I be an artistic girl with good frosting skills?
This is like so hard.
This kind of looks like
What is
dung.
it? Oh my god, what is
No, I messed mine
No.
up.
No, I
Okay,
actually
wait.
did
You
it.
know what? I'm just gonna cover the whole thing. Oh, I don't know
Oh my
what
god,
to do.
my
Should
hand
I?
is like all over.
What should I do? Okay. I'm
Go
just
with
gonna-
purple, yeah.
Purple and pink and brown.
Mm-hmm.
Not a good combo.
Why not? Do whatever.
Oh,
It's gonna look
okay.
pretty. Alright, what am I gonna do with this?
Oh, why isn't this coming out? Is it not melted? No.
I'm gonna make a face.
Do I have to cut it more?
It's not coming out. Yeah, you have to cut more.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and it's gonna like rush out, so
Oh no, please don't rush out.
it's not coming out. Is it? Oh my
Oh my
god!
god, it's coming out now. Did you mess up?
Yeah, I wanted to make a face, but then
Oh, okay, I'm pretty satisfied with mine, except the color's like gray, not purple.
It's
No, it's
pretty.
spreading! It's turning into eye circle. Oh no. I'm sorry, guys. It's actually pretty cute. It's like a face.
I didn't mean to put that nose.
It's okay, it's cute.
Oh my god, this is so funny.
Are you guys watching this right now? Man.
Guys, we're messing this up, but it's gonna be so good. Don't worry.
I don't know. I can't guarantee anymore. Man.
Oh my god, it's the same pink color.
Okay, I want to read some comments. Oh man.
I do even.
Key said, I vote for PD Nin. What are you getting? Oh my god, he's like, is it who got the better skill or who got the worst skill? Oh my gosh, Key, you're so mean.
You're so mean.
Oh, so many people are voting for you. Siska says, go Chelsea!
Thank you. It's actually the hair that I'm trying to make. It's a mustard hair. This is so funny. Oh.
Okay. Should I? Okay, I'm gonna do one more marshmallow.
Alright, guys. I'm trying to make a face. Oh, the nose
Oh,
is
your heart is blonde. Whoa.
Look at his nose, or her nose.
It's cute.
It's combining with the lip. No, you need to separate.
Man, okay, how much time do we have? Oh no, we only have like 5 minutes left.
No way. We have
Oh
to
my
start like
goodness.
decorating.
Wait, this
the
looks really
box.
good. Can I eat this?
Yeah. Do you want to eat? I don't know if this is
so
Alright,
good
I'm gonna
right
like
now.
start decorating the box.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm doing, but where's the
Man.
marshmallow?
Oh, right here. Oh, marshmallows. Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna put some hearts on this. Oh
We
man.
can actually decorate this with this too, you know.
Oh yeah, we can use that. Okay. Showering my marshmallow, chocolate covered marshmallow with heart sprinkles.
Mustard.
Yeah. Aren't you gonna? Oh yeah. Oh no!
Oh my god!
You forgot to put the
Yeah.
skewer in. Okay, this actually looks pretty cute, right, guys? Come on.
Yeah.
This looks-
Admit it.
Yeah. Come on.
Pretty.
It's pretty cute.
Mine's like
Actually, it's not.
smashed.
Sorry.
Mine looks like hot dog with mustard.
And it's like pastel color tones.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna start putting some of these
Into the box.
nest-looking things. A stuffing box paper. I'm gonna need a lot because we don't have a lot of things to put into it. I need to make it look as full as possible.
Well, yeah. Please give me half.
Yes.
'Cause I need
We're
it
going
too.
to equally share half. Oh man, okay.
I really
Mine's
need
like
to
the
work on
nest.
artistic
Me too.
levels because this is.
Do you want this whole
becoming-
thing?
Yeah, you can just like put it on the. You're cute. Thank you.
Yes. Okay.
Alright.
Okay, now. Wait, but the thing is, because the chocolates are not frozen, I feel like it's gonna stick to these white papers. Isn't it? Are we gonna be
Oh,
okay?
we're gonna have to like smash into the smash the white papers
Oh, man.
so it gets like onto the bottom of the box. Oh my
You know
god,
what?
it's
I'm
all
just-
over.
Okay.
I mean, this is a lot.
I know.
You gave me a lot. Don't you need more?
No, I have.
Oh, you have
I
it.
a lot.
Alright, this is a lot of. This was only
Okay.
one bag.
I'm gonna try putting...
Alright,
This looks so weird.
Nope. 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 Gotta be positive.
What is this?
Alright, guys.
Wait, I'm gonna put these on the sides and then... Wait, okay, this... Actually, it turns out this box is too small to fit everything. Look at this.
Is
It's
it?
already, like, so full because of this
No
big
way.
heart in the middle. And then... Whoa, okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, I got this.
You
Oh,
got
no!
this?
Okay.
No. Okay. Safe?
That's not sanitary at all. I can't give this to anyone. This is too...
You know what? I'm just gonna have to eat it myself. Oh no! This is like.
Oh no, yours is actually cute.
Is
I said
it?
actually.
Thank you.
No, yours is very cute. Wait, okay, I gotta step my game up because I think you're gonna beat me. Hold on, I need to make mine prettier.
Come on, you're gonna beat me.
No,
Although
I'm
I do
not.
want to. Oh my god, this chocolate is like not.
Okay, I'm getting chocolate all over my papers and I got some on my box. No.
Oh, you need tissue. Here, napkin.
No, I gave you a special appetizer chocolate on the side.
Before you open the
Yeah,
box.
for you
Have
to
some
lick.
appetizer.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my goodness.
My goodness, these chocolates are not like stiffening. It's like staying still as melted.
Do
It's
we have
hard.
another color of this? Didn't we have like a pink one? Oh no, we have the green one. Okay.
Green and probably on the bottom. I don't know.
Oh man, are we almost over?
Are we? Because I'm not ready.
Are you guys laughing at our chocolates outside?
Guys, it's
They're all laughing at us.
aren't you?
Yeah.
It's actually cute, you know. It's considering the.
I don't know if I can call mine cute, but
What do you say?
oh,
Wasabi with the mustard. Isn't it
that's
cute?
pretty cute. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead.
No. I'm trying to make it
Oh
cute,
no,
but
that's
it's
gonna
not.
fall.
It looks like egg
Me
with
too.
wasabi on top.
This reminds me of Easter. I don't know why. It's supposed to be
Oh,
Valentine's Day, but it
yeah.
reminds me of Easter.
Easter egg.
Okay. Oh, I feel bad for the person who's going to receive this if I lose.
Guys,
Okay, I'm done
I
too.
think I'm done.
Me too. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Let's present.
yeah. I
Da-da-da-da.
actually have two more.
Oh wow. Yours is looking really good, Chelsea.
Yours is really. Did you say? Is this "I love you" in the
Yeah,
middle?
no,
That
but
is
it's
so-
actually like I circle. It's spread out and it became all
I
fat.
understand.
Guys, I think we're done, right?
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, we're done. We need you guys to vote.
All right, guys. We're.
Please vote.
We actually finished in time. Whew.
Yeah, we did.
Did we? All right.
Guys, yes, please vote. And the loser is going to have to deliver these chocolates to a lucky, very lucky winner.
Hopefully, it's lucky.
Thank you, Chelsea, for joining us today. It's
Thank you,
time to
Ashley.
close. We have to go. We took up so much time making chocolate. But yeah, before I go, the answer to today's quiz was number 2, Yoon Do-jun. So please go head over to Sound K homepage to check. Okay? Anyway, so
All right,
yeah,
thank you
please
so
leave
much
your
for having me.
quotes. I mean, please leave your votes, okay?
Votes. Yes, vote, guys. Vote for us. Vote for Chelsea.
Vote for Ashley. Vote for Ashley.
Well, actually, this is our first time making it.
Okay.
So consider that, please.
Okay, thank you, Chelsea, for joining us. I'll see you on next week with another fun XX challenge, right?
Fun, right?
Yes, fun.
Thank you for having me.
We're gonna say bye to Chelsea with this song. This is Him featuring Hane by Bumpy.
Bye, guys.
There's something about you that makes me wonder. Yeah. 모르겠어 도저히 눈을 몇 번 잊고 깜빡여봐도 찾을 수가 없어. 계속 봐도 보이질 않아. 너의 눈, 코, 입 다 너무 완벽해. 너의 작은 표정 하나까지도 대체 어디 있는 걸까? 아니 있기는 한 걸까? 도저히 알 수 없는데. And I don't care what the people say. 내게 넌 이미 너무 완벽해. 그래서 꾸미려 하지 않아도 지금 모습 그대로 충분해. 너를 볼 때면 안 보여 너의 없잖아 빈틈 넌 잡을 때가 That's right, come on 말이 안 돼 도저히 이건 너무 불공평한 거라고 수많은 여자들 너를 보면 열등감만 느낄걸 너의 눈, 코, 입 다 너무 완벽해 너의 작은 표정 하나까지도 대체 어디 고급져 너의 shortcut 너는 따져도 돼 남자들의 조건 유행 따라가지 않은 너에게 따라쟁이 남자들이 유행처럼 너에게로 도전 그게 성에 찰 리가 없지 그건 너한테는 잘 없지 흥미 많은 걔네들은 너를 이해 못해다면 내가 주인공일 거야 나머지는
And I don't care what the people say 내게 넌 이미 너무 완벽해 해석은 미려하지 않아도 지금 모습 그대로 충분해 너를 볼 때면 안 보여 너의 없잖아 빈틈 눈 잡을 데가 없는가 No you don't have no So amazing 난 엄마가 늘 베푼 사랑에 어색해 그래서 그런 건가 늘 어렵다니까 잃기 두려웠던 욕심 속에도 작은 예쁨이 있지 난 지금 행복해 그래서 불안해 폭풍전 바다는 늘 고요하니까 우리 더 빨리 타면 안 되잖아 나는 사랑을 응원해 젊은 우리 나이 때는 잘 보이지 않고 찬란한 빛 제 눈이 멀어 꺼져가는데 슬픈 어른은 늘 뒷걸음만 치고 미운 숨을 넘긴 넌